My dear children, we had seen that deficiency of certain vitamins, minerals or proteins may cause some kind of diseases which are called deficiency diseases. So let's think, how can we overcome these deficiency diseases? You know children, the vitamins and minerals needed by our body is normally present in fruits, vegetables, milk, meat, fish, etc. Egg also. So children, you should eat a food which should contain all the necessary nutrients needed by the body. So regular intake of milk, egg, fish, meat. Fish and meat you can use occasionally, but regularly you should eat vegetables and fruits which is rich in vitamins and minerals. And fish and egg weekly, and egg you have to take daily. Drink a glass of milk also regularly, which will provide you all the nutrients necessary by your body. So if your body is providing all the kinds of vitamins, minerals, proteins and carbohydrates and fats regularly, you will not be having any kind of diseases. So always keep healthy by regular intake of a balanced diet. And what is a balanced diet? A balanced diet is a diet which should provide all the nutrients necessary by the body. For example, for the breakfast, if you are eating idli, sambar, a banana and a papad, it's a balanced diet. So idli is rich in carbohydrate and protein. The sambar is rich in a lot of vitamins and minerals. And papad is also a protein rich food. If you are drinking a glass of milk, then if you are drinking a banana, your morning meal is rich. So for the lunch also you should eat either rice and fish curry or chapati and fish curry or any kind of chicken, meat, anything. In case if you are eating pulses you know, gram, peas, all these are pulses. Then also your protein requirement will be fulfilled. So don't forget to eat a balanced food. If you are not able to eat any kind of food, if you drink a glass of milk, you know, a milk is a complete food. A milk contains, it is rich in proteins, vitamins, minerals and a little carbohydrate. So it's very good to drink a glass of milk every day. And always keep your body clean, take bath, eat a balanced diet and take regular exercise. Keep you always fit and healthy. And children, in the previous topics you have learned about communicable diseases and you are asked to take covered and clean food. So even though we are taking clean food, clean and cooked food, sometimes there is a chance for the entry of disease germs into our stomach. So entry of these disease germs are checked by another material present in our body which is known as hydrochloric acid. In our stomach there is acid. This acid kills the rest of the germs that may enter along with our body. So our body will be protected if you are taking a very nice balanced diet and keep your body healthy. And I hope you understood about this lesson, diseases, and now you know about a lot of diseases, communicable and non-communicable, and you also have known about deficiency diseases, and you now know the need to eat a balanced and good diet. Now you know to keep your body and surroundings clean. So I hope you understood the chapter very well. The question answers for the lesson will be uploaded through the WhatsApp. And read the lesson very well and do the exercises very well. Thank you.